Vanakkam friends. Last week we have decided and said Nifty will react the way how HDFC Bank reacts based on its results, and it reacted the same way for the first 3 days. See over here, this is the Nifty daily charts, and the green color line which I have put here is the HDFC Bank chart. For first 3 days, it performed exactly how HDFC Bank has performed. But however, on the fourth day, the direction got changed just because very good move on ICICI Bank as well as ITC ahead of their results. Now we are stepping into the last week of July series, which is the fifth week. As I said, it is a 5 week series. In the month beginning itself, we can expect very good move in the last week of the series. Most probably it will be a 250 to 300 point move in Nifty and 700 to 1000 point move in Bank Nifty. While looking at Nifty charts, we are seeing two gap areas which needs to be filled, one on the upside and other one on the downside. So either one needs to get filled during this week. During this week in the sense the upcoming week. That too before expiry, which is 29th of July. While looking at the daily charts, the chart setup is little bit positive and we have two closes above 20 SMA. So we expect the upside gap to be fulfilled and the gap area will be completed when it tests 15,915, above which we have a minor resistance at 15,962-65 levels. If this level is taken out, we can see a move at least till 16,100 in Nifty during next week, and that too most of the situation things will be depending upon the result reactions. Why? Because we have nearly 8 companies which are declaring results during this week. Now while looking at the Bank Nifty charts, the charts are not as good as Nifty because it is having a close below 20 SMA. So probably on Monday, maybe tomorrow, the result reaction of ICICI Bank could take this 20 SMA, which is at 35,250 levels. If this level is taken out by tomorrow, we can expect a good move on the upside during the last week of expiry. And moreover, in addition to that, we have Kotak and Axis Bank results are being scheduled on Monday. So this will also add fuel to the party if the results are good. If the results are not good, we will find it took this 20 SMA to be crossing a difficult task, and then we will hover in between this range itself. But I expect that it to cross on the higher side, just because while looking at the 30 minutes chart, there are two gap areas like what we have seen in the Nifty, but both the gap areas has been filled. So the final gap area is the gap which has been created between last week Friday and Monday. So probably Bank Nifty has very good chances to test these levels. Now let me give you a beautiful trade for next week, Thursday and Friday. Okay, just have this in your mind. If by any chance Nifty is making a close of 100 points or more on the downside on Thursday, blindly take Nifty as BTST trade. The next day you will definitely see a 100-point move on Nifty. It is like a sure shot call for everyone. Just have the levels in your mind which I am saying, which I have said, and then follow if that situation happens. The situation is Nifty must close 100 points or more on the downside on Thursday closing, that is monthly expiry. If that situation happens, take a blind long by Thursday before market closes. The next day, either it will be a gap up or you will definitely see a 100-point green move in Nifty. Subscribe and stay tuned in our channel to see more videos like this in future. I have given my Telegram channel link in the description. New members can see the description and click on the link and join our Telegram channels for regular updates during market hours. Thank you all. Bye.